Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in skincare products with Neutrogena, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding your skin type.
Identifying whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin will guide your product choices.
Research Neutrogena's product range for your skin type. Familiarize yourself with key ingredients in Neutrogena products. Look for hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid for dry skin.
For oily skin, consider products with salicylic acid to help control excess oil.
Read reviews and testimonials from users with similar skin types. Visit Neutrogena's official website to find the best products for your needs. Create a budget for your skincare investment.
Secure your skincare routine before searching for products to suit your needs.
Start with a basic regimen that includes a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. Consider adding treatment products like serums or masks based on your concerns. Visit local stores or shop online for availability. Check for promotional offers or bundles to maximize your investment. Once you have selected products, try them one at a time. Monitor how your skin reacts over a few weeks. Be patient as some products may take longer to show results.
Adjust your routine as necessary based on your skin's response. Keep your skincare routine consistent for optimal results. Educate yourself on when to refresh or change products.
Consider seasonal changes in your skin type and adjust accordingly. Stay informed about new launch products from Neutrogena. Be mindful of expiration dates on your products.
Maintain a skincare journal to track your progress and reactions.
Invest in quality tools like gentle exfoliators or applicators as needed. Always patch test new products to avoid adverse reactions. Seek professional advice if you're unsure about new products for sensitive skin. By following this guide, you can confidently invest in your skincare journey with Neutrogena.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.